Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide the header section for a page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com. First, you need to log in to your account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Go to Pages and click on the page you want to hide the header section for. Click on this little gear icon next to it and go to Navigation and disable showing header. Save your changes. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And to go to the preview mode, click on this little arrow. And this is my about page without the header at the top. And this is how to hide the header section for a page in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.